Hello, I'm Shubhi. I work and live in the Maldives, and today I'm going to show you what do I pack with me in this big bag and what are the things that is must carry with you for your snorkeling trip. So this is something that it's been 3 years for me to live here, and I've come into a lot of snorkeling trips, and this is something I believe is the ultimate math. I have solved that. Okay, these are the things that is pretty essential. We have to carry, and see it started raining. This is Maldives for you guys. So yes, let's go with the first one. Definitely your kit. Trust me, it took me 6 months to buy this kit because I was just looking for which is the best one. And this is something I'll make a separate video on how to buy your snorkeling kit and pro in it now. So, snorkeling kit definitely. Then, of course, your bath essentials, your towel, and it is very important you carry the quick, easy peasy dry one because here in this island, particularly, you have only one changing room and the shower room, which is quite far. So it's better you have something for your rescue. Okay, then you have to carry one shampoo for cleaning your mask. It is essential. Usually baby shampoo or any soap or anything you can carry to wash. It is really important. I carry this one because it's body wash plus shampoo plus it's used for my snorkeling kit as well. So it's easy for me. And then of course for all the picture lovers and who want to capture something that is inside the water, the fishes and very nice marine life beauty. Trust me, this is the rescue for me. Since I don't have a GoPro for now. Okay, now my husband called this a Hermione bag from Harry Potter. Trust me. So this is something I carry with me everywhere, like especially for my scuba marine visits and especially for my scubas and all this hair mask. Now you would say, why is she carry a hair mask? Trust me, when you go for snorkeling and when you wear your mask, your hairs come in front of your face. And this is something that helps you. You can put it, you can tie up your hair, you can put the mask, and the hair won't come. And even it will help your hair not to get dry from the salty water. So, this is a pro tip. Trust me, it will help you. Of course, brush, it is very important. Money, money is something that literally, if I tell you how much money it cost me from my house to here, it's just 6 rupiah. Trust me. So you have to carry some for your rescue. And since I'm a vegetarian, I don't get much food here. And I don't know if it happens with you, but it happens with me that whenever I go for swimming or I go for marine activities and I come out, I feel very hungry. So I carry this protein bars with me. I become little cranky when I'm hungry. So this is something that is must for me. Of course, mosquito repellent. Since you can see it's raining right now, you have to carry this everywhere. This is my something that I use 24/7. Okay, sunscreen and again sunscreen. Trust me, there is no brand left which I haven't used after shifting to Maldives, and these are something that I apply, although it doesn't affect much. But yes, this is something that I try to apply, but I always forget. Of course, wet wipes, it is important. It is sand everywhere. It is important for you to carry wet wipes wherever you go here because the chairs, the even for the water shoes, it is important for you to use the wet wipes. Perfume, of course, personal choice, but I would recommend you should definitely carry your perfume with you. After bath cooling cream, this is something, this is my favorite because I usually have very sensitive skin, and whenever I go out and I shower after the water, I feel little burning sensation. So this is something that helps me a lot. Oh my god, it's raining a lot here, but trust me, it goes away in like 10 minutes. So of course my AirPods for on the way, a big bag which is waterproof, so I always carry this with me. Let me see what more I have in my bag. Of course my water bottle, so you can carry your protein shake, your water bottle whenever you go. It's essential. And the water shoes which I'm wearing right now, I will show you in this clip. So water shoes here is very important. I'll show you what it is because here in the Maldives there are a lot of corals, lot of stones. So it is very important for you to carry those water shoes. It becomes super easy for you to go in the beach. Even if you're not going for snorkeling and even if you're just going in the ocean, you should carry your water shoes, guys. Trust me, it's super essential. So thank you so much. I hope you'll see this video before going to your next snorkeling trip. And thank you so much. I'll come up with more such videos of my island and my island life. If you want to know more, please do subscribe.